Karen from the Humbledhomemaker, and today we're going to be making an easy peasy taco seasoning mix. I wrote the blog on it, but I thought I would also do a video just for those of you that are more visual. I modified this recipe from a recipe I found on cooks.com, and it is so easy you will never want to buy taco seasoning ever again. Also, it's cheaper too. Basically, first of all, you just take 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and this is actually my homemade chili powder, which I'll be posting on in the winter. But if you really want it, you can go ahead and email me, and I'll send you an email with the recipe for it. And then you take 1.5 teaspoons of paprika. And then you take 1.5 teaspoons of cumin powder. And this is all stuff that I normally keep at home anyway. And then you take a teaspoon of onion powder. And then you take 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then you take about maybe just a little bit less than 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. And just a dash of cayenne pepper. And then you mix it all up. Super easy. I have a little clump here, so I'm mashing that. Mix it all up. It makes about 3 tablespoons, and that's about equal to a packet of taco seasoning. It doesn't have all of your nasty additives that you would from a prepackaged store taco seasoning, and it's a lot cheaper than ones that you would buy that don't have the additives in them. You can use this for tacos, you can use it for enchiladas, quesadillas, taco soup. Easy peasy, super cheap. I hope you enjoy it.